Hey guys, Beery here. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a multifamily broker in the northern Florida area. I've been in the business for over 20 years. I'm the author of the book, Multifamily Investors Who Dominate. I have a YouTube channel, Beau Knows Multifamily, and you can find me on a lot of social media outlets. I've been a seven-figure income earner for many, many years, and I do it all in under 45 hours a week. Yes, I actually have a life as a broker. I don't work evenings. I have almost the entire weekend to myself. And I'm able to achieve that because of the coaching I've received through my career. So here's what's super exciting. I've teamed up with my coach, Blaine Strickland, who's founder of OneMoreDeal.net. With their guidance and their platform, I'm now able to help you, the multifamily broker, and exclusively the multifamily broker, to achieve the same results. I've gotten a lot of calls from you watching this video right now over the years, asking how to implement a certain strategy, or what do I do with this, and how do I handle that? And I've only been able to give you quick 15, 30-minute band-aids, but I knew in my heart that there's much more steps and strategies to really carry something out. With One More Deal, I've now figured out how I can give you all the attention you need to carry out all the steps to a crazy granular level to really have the production you've always wanted. Really to have the life that you wanted. To not have to worry about this stuff every evening, every weekend, and working 80 hours a week. Our goal is to help you make more money in less time. That's what we all want. We actually want to have a life with the money that we're making. If you're interested, great. We're going to follow up with more information. If you're not interested, all good, cool, I get it. You're happy where you are. Just let us know in the email. You'll opt out and we won't contact you again. But if you do opt in, y'all better get ready because we're getting ready to go next level. Let's go!